Everyone, half chrome. This Thursday, the 23rd, DJI is releasing a new drone. We're pretty sure it's the Mavic 2, and we're both going to be in New York to see it unveiled. Right, Chris?
Yep, we're going this time. We bought our plane tickets the first time, and then we ate the price of those. That was lame, but it looks like it's finally happening. We're headed to Brooklyn, and we're going to see it released there, so pretty excited about that.
Absolutely. And we're pretty sure it's the Mavic 2. Well, we know it's the Mavic 2, right? Everybody does. And not just the Mavic 2, but there were multiple versions of the Mavic 2. We've got a Mavic 2 Zoom coming. We've got a Mavic 2 Pro coming. And maybe in the not too distant future, if we're lucky, maybe even a Mavic Enterprise. So which one are we going to buy?
I don't know. So the zoom is kind of interesting. It's got, they're clearly highlighting dolly zoom features in the promotional video they released a few days ago. What do you think about the zoom?
I think the zoom is awesome. I've got the Parrot Anafi here, and this is my current favorite drone. Why? Because it has a zoom. I can do neat things with this camera that I can't with any other drone. So I'm excited for DJI to finally release something that will do what this does. Love the dolly zoom feature.
Yeah, the dolly zoom is fun. I will say the 3x zoom on the Parrot is more impactful, more zoomy than I would have imagined at first. When you're up there in the air and you zoom in, it's pretty cool. It really is cropped a lot. But with the electronic image stabilization, you do see a little bit of degradation. I think you're not going to see that, hopefully, in the mechanical zoom on the Mavic 2 Zoom. And that brings us also to the other version, which I'm actually a little more excited about.
The Mavic Pro, right? What is the Mavic Pro going to be? We know it's going to have a different camera for sure, right?
So somehow they're getting that bigger sensor in there, it looks like, right? They're not going to offer the zoom. So we got the 1 inch. I mean, they fit it in, so kudos to DJI there. We're hoping we're going to have some fancy things going on in the optics as well. Variable aperture would be nice. Flip-in shutter would be cool. Mechanical shutter, flip-in filter would be super nice, because anybody who's tried to fly with filters knows it's really hard to predict the filter you're going to want once you're in the air. So hopefully they surprise us with some really cool stuff, but they're also going to be probably holding some things back for the Phantom 5 as well.
Right, and we do know that it's going to be a Hasselblad, right? It's going to be a Hasselblad camera. They've partnered with them.
What does that mean about price? So they're only promoting the Pro as being Hasselblad camera. They're basically positioning it as the premium product. So in our minds, the zoom is probably going to be a little less expensive. We'll have some different features, so it'll be interesting. And at the end of the day, we're not quite sure the one that we're going to want to get. It's going to depend on the features. So what are we going to do?
Well, we're going to buy them both. I'm going to pick up a zoom. He's going to pick up the Pro. We'll fly them around. We'll keep whichever one we think is our favorite. We're going to throw that other one probably back up for sale.
Yeah, we're going to sell the other one. So proof is in the pudding. It's the one you want to keep at the end of the day.
Correct.
And we're going to see which one that is.
Yep. Now, with that Pro 2, I think they're going to release that gimbal.
Yeah, so we've seen that patent image release. We also saw the actual camera picture, some leaked photo of the same little thing. It's this little boxy thing that's holding a gimbal. And what does that mean? What is it for? It looks like a similar camera to the one that's on the Pro or the Enterprise versions of the Mavic 2. You know, is the gimbal going to be removable? I don't know. What is that thing? Where do you put it? It's not an ergonomic hand grip. So a lot of mysteries there. Maybe we're going to learn more on August 23rd.
Yeah, in New York. Yeah, so we'll find out on August 23rd. So subscribe to our channel and we'll get you the details. Thanks for watching, and check us out on halfchrome.com for a whole lot more information.
We'll see you next time.